Good, good. How are you? Do you have it? Is that plain? Yeah. Yeah, can I get one? Just heat it up for like 10 seconds. Yo, what's good, guys? We are starting the morning off here at A's Barbershop. This is gonna be Flea Pop number 2. Everyone's setting up right now. We're waiting for about like 3 more vendors, then we should be good. These are the shoes I'm actually not giving away, doing a raffle. The Hyper Cobalt, size 11. I'm pretty much set up. I'm vending as well, but let's go check out all the vendors.
Everybody, it's off season. OFFSCN20. Just picked up the fire vintage from A. Appreciate you for blessing it.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro. The homie just caught the essential purple Nike, size XL. Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you. Thank you, sir.
I can do 50 for the both of them.
Let's get it.
That's cool?
Appreciate you. Nice meeting you, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I watch
sir.
you on YouTube and everything.
Appreciate it, bro. I like the shoes, man.
Thank you, bro. I just got them.
Just recently?
Yeah, recently, like a week ago. I traded like 10 pairs of shoes and like a G bar on top just to get them.
In total, how much do you
total,
think?
probably the shoes at like 12 G's for all my shoes.
Shut the
Yeah.
what?
Yeah. What's,
Is that what those are running at right now?
Bro, on StockX, they're running for like brand new, like 20.
Oh, okay, so that's not bad.
Yeah, for reuse.
Damn, you're crazy, bro. That's tight.
Those shoes, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yo, what's good, guys? We're here with
Upcycled Enchantments.
this is Jessica. So she makes these books, like planners and stuff. She'll explain them.
Pretty much made from secondhand thrifted children's books, so saving the books from being thrown away. Also have the planner books, same thing, full story included. The planners, they're like completely undated, so you could start them whenever, monthly and weekly.
They're like magazines?
They're comic
Or comic books.
So same
Dude, that's
thing, like
sick.
full story included.
Yeah, dude, those are sick.
You're hot.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. He didn't like it. He didn't like the movie.
Yeah,
I thought it was
about it.
I think it was like as corny as I expected it to be. I mean, the first one was corny too, but we were kids watching it, right?
Exactly, and there's just like that classic like
Yeah.
aspect to it too,
Yeah.
like Jordan, like Looney Tunes,
Yeah.
like the animations back then.
Yeah. It's not bad. I would watch it.
How's LeBron's acting? Just kind of like.
The homie pulled up with the stuff. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Size XL too. You buy this off somewhere or you thrifted it?
Yeah, I got it off the vintage Poppy.
Okay, yeah. Damn, this one's tough too.
I'm gonna check out your book.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. Let me know. I'm definitely interested in that.
I got some stuff in the trunk, but I don't know who's gonna. I don't know if I probably chain with someone or if anybody's buying. So.
What do you got?
Space Jam tees, a
Let me see.
Destiny's Child tee.
Let me see. Before anyone else. Dog, there's a Space Jam tee this dude has. I need it. It's like. Fade on this one's nasty, bro.
No, it's just so mean too.
Yo, the homie just came through. Cop the bobs. Big boy.
Yeah, good
$20 steal. Appreciate you, bro.
Good looking out, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you guys support
Appreciate
the
you.
business, man. Here you go,
Thank
sir.
you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Yo, the homie, Adrian. Appreciate you. He's copping the 2009 NBA champions caricature tee.
Sick.
Appreciate you, doggy. All right, the restroom is kind of far from the flea market, so I was jokingly telling the dude, like, I got a scooter in the shop if you want to ride it to Taco Bell. And he said he'll take me up on that offer, so I gotta deliver the scooter. Shoo. All right, we're here with the homie. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Oh, my name's Edward from Feener's Precious. You can call me Feener, you can call me Edward, you can call me Tonight if you want. I got everything from Rolls Royce vintage. I got Shark Tooth. I got some Splash sports specialties.
Dude, this is a cool way to put in the shoe thing because it keeps the brims
Exactly.
kind of tight.
That
Yeah,
dome, it keeps
yeah.
that dome tight.
Is that a Bad Boys?
Yeah.
Yeah,
single
that one's
stitch.
tough. Screen stars too.
Yeah, I
That's
got a little
hard.
bit of everything. You have wrestling tees.
Yeah,
You got Stussy, you got Harley gear.
that's crazy. On South Pole.
But yeah, thank you for having me though.
Of course, bro.
Yeah,
I
thank you.
appreciate you. Yes, sir.
That was worked on by the homie Tommy. Hey, Tommy, if you want to talk about this a little bit.
I've been working on repairs recently. So
You fixed this?
yeah, man. So my
Oh,
like
shoot.
an embroidery business for like 60 years.
Was this like sleeveless?
Yeah, it was chopped.
Right, before you- Dang.
Arms, all that.
Dude, that came out clean, bro.
Thanks, man. Most of it is my mom, you know,
Yeah,
hard stuff. She's been at it for a while.
dude, that's tough.
Kind of
That's
been in the
tough.
works on this, so I got a bunch of pieces
Yeah.
coming out soon.
And
Dude.
the itchy and scratchy is just, oh my god. Let me see this.
Oh, they got the back hit too.
This is the front hit, and then the back hit is just.
Yeah, that one's fire, bro. You got the MC Escher on. Where'd you get this?
I bought it off the homie because I actually thrifted one,
Mm-hmm.
and then I used it to leverage for a Flea event. So
Oh,
then
shit.
I did that, and then I was like, you know what? I made money at that event. I want the shirt back because I always liked these shirts.
How much did you pay for it? I don't even know what to
80 bucks.
price mine. Oh yeah. So it's not vegan. Or you guys got both?
We didn't bring it today. We do
No,
it
you're
based
good.
off demographic.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all really do it. You got the little signs and everything on the hot dogs. All right, I'm here with the homie. Okay, introduce yourself, man.
Man, Derek from Los Homies Street Dogs. We got a bunch of different dogs, but we always play them towards our demographic.
Yeah,
Our number one sellers is the Homie and the Elote dog.
What's the homie? What's in that
The
one?
Homie has its bacon wraps on a brioche bun,
Mm-hmm,
mayo. We got the red and green bell pepper, and also it's topped with the sauteed onion.
How do you guys do the vegan hot dog?
The vegan
Is it
hot
just
dog.
like a-
Well, we have another grill set up for that. But
Yeah,
that
yeah.
one is it's the pretzel bun,
Mhm.
vegan dog, and then it's with the our custom coleslaw that my partner made. She's vegan as well, and it's bomb. And then you just top that some barbecue sauce, fire.
I would have tried it, bro. I would have tried it because I only eat chicken, dude. I don't eat any.
Understandable. Yeah, we do have a chicken link as well too, but we'll make sure.
Oh,
we add it
sick.
next
Yeah.
time.
Dude, we definitely run this back. I appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
You're killing it. Your setup is honestly like amazing, bro. He got TVs on his booth, bro. That's wild.
Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, bro.
Nobody's seen these because I haven't paid them from the sun, but
Oh, damn.
brand new from Japan with the receipt from Japan, 2002, with the little Japanese receipt.
With the Japanese. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, these are the home. That's one of the homemade prices.
It's like a size 9.
8.5. Yeah, 8.5. But yeah, it's got like a full oxidation.
I'm here with the homie. Go ahead, introduce yourself, bro.
What's up, man? My name is George Prostein. walnut native here.
His Instagram is buy my brick. These are not bricks, but yeah.
They're not bricks.
Instagram is
There's
called buy
some
my
bricks,
brick.
Yeah.
You can show them a couple of the shoes.
Ray guns right here.
The Supremes.
Firecracker. Oh yeah, these are the heaters right here.
Tough. How much are you asking on those?
1600.
16?
Yeah.
You get them resale or retail?
I got them resale.
Damn, that's not bad. These.
Yeah, those from 2000.
Yeah, these are fire.
These are from 01. These red.
What size are those?
10 and a half.
Damn.
Yeah, you're 11, huh?
Yeah, I'm an 11. Damn, these are nice though. Repainted?
A little bit, yeah. Because they were beat.
I feel it. No, that's not bad though.
Yeah.
These are tough. All right, bro. Appreciate you, man.
Man.
Yes, sir. I
Appreciate
appreciate it, dog. Solid XL too. Yeah, bro. It's like a wavy XL. Let me try this on. So we're with the homie right here. Let's go, bro. What's your name?
Ken.
And your-
Vibes LA.
Go ahead and show them your plans, bro. This is dope.
So we had an off-white inspired pot. We've sold several already. So if you want any custom ones, we can always make it out. Pot itself is 20, but this plant, this is a red aglaonema. We sell it for 15. We can source a lot of the rare exotic plants that you can't really find in the stores.
That's tough, bro. That's hard.
This was especially
That's so hard.
inspired for this event.
Yeah. No, I appreciate that, bro. Ready? All right, my little cousin's gonna pick the ticket. Ready? You gotta close your eyes. Okay? Close your eyes, okay?
Just one, Zach, okay.
Just one. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, go.
Just pick one. Put your hand in.
Just one. Just one. Don't look.
There.
Just one.
You get it? You got it. What is it? Oh my God.
All right, you guys ready? 6, 9, 7, 1, 7, 3, 1.
Who is it?
Should I repeat it?
731.
6, 9, 7, 1, 7, 3, 1. Yeah? 6, 9, 7, 1. Yeah? You got it. There you go, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. You have a good one, bro. Yes, sir. Yo, what's good, guys? I just want to say thank you. We're in the shop right now trying to stay cool, but I want to say thank you to everyone who pulled up. I want to say thank you to all the vendors. Thank you to everyone who helped set up. Thank you to the cameraman, Jesse. Yeah, I appreciate everyone, man. This was crazy for it only being the second one. The turnout was crazy. I saw people buying stuff like left and right. So I'm super hyped about that. Most likely it's gonna be around the third weekend of every month. And you can find the address. It's just search Aye's Barbershop, AYES Barbershop in Walnut, California. It's the shop that I own. But yeah, just want to say thank you to everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to everyone who came, I hope you guys enjoyed the Flea Pop #2. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. It's so hot. Amen to fashion. What is?